It's a pretty impromptu video that I'm making, but I wanted to share this while it's still fresh in my mind. I had this very interesting experience yesterday. We had, as some of you might know, we are into the business of selling OTR tires for a company called BKT in Kerala. So we are their all Kerala distributors. And in the last 5 to 6 months since we have started this distributorship, something that I found is a major factor in our overall operating cost is the cost of transportation. So while I was doing some research into how I could reduce the transportation cost, I came up with this idea of buying a CNG Ashok Leyland Dost. So at the time when I was considering going for that particular type of vehicle, it made a lot of sense because for one, CNG was extremely cheap compared to diesel. I remember it was around 53 or 54 rupees per kg of CNG, and I'd done some research online looking at reviews of the CNG Dost, and I didn't find any poor reviews. I actually found a lot of good reviews. I looked at the costing. I did a calculation. So we were using a Mahindra Bolero camper, which was having a mileage of around 8 kilometers to the liter, and it was diesel. So diesel was around 70 rupees. And I thought that with a Bolero, with a Leyland Dost that is powered by CNG, not only would I get the benefit of significantly better mileage. Many of the customers online were claiming around 15 kilometers per kg of CNG, and the fact that it was significantly cheaper, the CNG itself was much cheaper. It all made sense to me. I was a little aggressive with the Ashok Leyland dealer because the company had not yet introduced the product in Kerala, and I insisted that I'd like to have one and I would like to trial it out. I knew there were some risks involved because I knew that the range of the vehicle was pretty low. It was claimed to be around 300 to 320 kilometers because there are some limitations on the size of CNG tanks that can be mounted on a vehicle of this size. But I felt that okay, it's not a problem. Most of my customers are within about 120 to 150 kilometers away from me, and if at all the need arises that I have to send a load that is much further away, I could always use my Bolero camper because I wasn't planning to get rid of it. After a lot of effort, convincing, cajoling, finally managed to get my hands on the vehicle. At the outset, I was very excited and looked forward to reaping the benefits from a transportation standpoint. So yesterday we sent our first load from Angamali, where our depot is, to Malappuram, where one of our customers is. And when the vehicle reached Malappuram, it was almost it started indicating that the fuel is pretty low. So we did a major miscalculation while doing the study and doing the research on whether this was a viable logistics vehicle for us. We didn't actually find out where the CNG stations are in Kerala. I went off the fact that Cochin had a lot of CNG stations, and I just assumed that CNG stations would be there in all the major cities in Kerala. You know what they say about making assumptions, right? When you make an assumption, you basically make an ass of you and me. And in this case, I made an ass of myself and my poor driver, because 3/4 of the way back to Cochin, the vehicle completely ran out of CNG, and the nearest pump was some 50 kilometers away. So finally, we had to get the Dost loaded onto a flatbed and brought to the CNG pump. So whatever profits I thought I would be making over the next few months on using a CNG powered vehicle was lost entirely on the transportation of the vehicle from where it was stuck to the CNG pump. I thought I should post this because I wanted to share an experience like this so other people also get an insight into how your decision making need not always be right. You can be extremely confident that with all your calculations, all your math, but it's always possible that there is some element missing in your calculation, something that you're not aware of, something that you're not foreseen. And yeah, I mean, you live and learn, I guess. We still feel that it's a fantastic way to save money in transportation and logistics. It's just that we have to wait for a few more CNG pumps to open up. We are excited that something is coming up in Malappuram in the next maybe 3 to 6 months, and I also understand that within the year Calicut is also going to have a CNG pump. So yeah, I look forward to being able to use this CNG Dost more effectively in the months to come. But in the meantime, I eat humble pie and learn from this mistake, and hope that I don't make similar blunders in the future. Yep, I just thought I'll share this quickly while I still remember the incident, and hope it's something that is beneficial to you while you're watching this.